Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we're getting this. This is crazy. Look, iPod Touch. Okay. 128 gigabytes. Just you read this. This is too crazy. 6th generation. Look how much money this is. Look how much money. Look at this. Look at that. Now look how much there's left.
Only one left in stock. Okay, we're gonna go and buy the.
Let's read it.
Add to cart.
Yeah.
Then proceed. Okay, we're gonna do all this stuff and then we'll let you know when it comes. Okay, bye.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's J&H Trick Shots, and today we so we're putting up this montage because we got the iPod 6, and it's coming soon.
Yeah, I think
they said it's coming soon, like very soon.
It might come tomorrow, but we think it's going to.
So if it is coming tomorrow, then we'll just delete this video. But whatever. And we'll put the video before in, so you'll see.
Yeah, we're just using this iPod for like camera. It's nothing, like just using it for like camera since I have 128 gigabytes.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
that's pretty much it.
So
we're just gonna wait, and if it doesn't come, then we'll just delete this video. So,
yeah.
Oh, what?
Oh. Dude, that's a doorbell. Let's go see what it is. What the? Really? It's here. Dude. Oh, close the door. Sure. Okay, yeah. Look at this. Dude, that's beast. Let's see it. Where's the light? Yeah. Okay, let's see this. Dude.
Gosh.
Let's go. Okay, let's open it. Let's open it.
Okay. There's tape on it.
Wow. What are you doing?
Fine.
Wow. This is cool. Dude, that's beast.
Tried to open it. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, you know, they always put like the tape on. It's so hard to get off. Oh my gosh. Dude, let's turn it on. Oh, let's see. Let's do this. You turn it on first. What the? Where's their cookie? What? Are you guys seeing this? What the heck? Where's their cookie? Right, there's a password. Oh, how are we supposed to get on if there's a password?
It's just like a fake here. Let's look at these here.
Oh my gosh. What is this? Oh my gosh. This is not even that clean.
Okay, there's a charger though. Good charger.
Oh, this is like dented. What the
heck?
Oh, there's earwax in it. What? What?
Okay,
but look at this, guys. Freaking cookie. What is this?
Okay, there's also
wow. Oh, nice camera.
Okay. It has these Apple stickers. These look pretty clean and new.
Cookie.
Okay. I mean, it's okay, but
bubble wrap.
This is the best part. Yeah.
Holy, I can't even open this. But see, this is the crazy part. Freaking cookie. Wait, it already has the time set? And wait, is it August 7th?
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh my gosh. Who's it? Dude, that's crazy.
Okay, we can probably end this video now.
Okay, yeah, well, okay. See you guys.
Bye.